family. It's Jeff here coming to you from 50 on 50. I'm on the side of the road of Highway 50 in Offeral, Kansas, I think it is. I'm about less than an hour from Dodge City, which is my destination for tonight. I gotta say, earlier it was okay, it's flat, but you know, you had the whole plains prairie thing going on. But for the last probably 2 hours, I've been dealing with like 25 to 30 mile an hour crosswinds coming down 50. The blast from oncoming trucks and things like that, it's been an assault on every part of my body and the motorcycle, and it's just crazy. But I'm ready to get this part of the road behind me. But you can have this part of Kansas. I don't know why anybody would ever want to live here. But anyway, thanks for tuning in and watching me. I appreciate your prayers. Everything's going great. But I'm looking forward to bringing this day to an end soon. Thanks, y'all. Have a good one. Hey Facebook friends and family, it's Jeff coming to you from 50 on 50. This is day 8. Another kind of boring day of riding. At least it wasn't so brutally windy and stuff like that. The riding wasn't so bad. Temperature still got up there, but I had a strong headwind at this time, so it helped. It wasn't beating me up so bad, but it helped keep the temperature off of me a little bit. I made it into Pueblo. I'm now on mountain time, but my stomach is on Eastern time still, so it's time for dinner. But the Riverwalk's just beautiful here in downtown Pueblo. I'll give you a quick preview of it. There's some kind of event going on tonight here, but there's really nothing happening now. Just this little piece of it here. They've got roads blocked off and big event signs up. I don't know what's going on, but I might hang around to find out. Anyway, tomorrow I'm crossing the Rockies, so I'm really looking forward to that. And then the day after that, I'm riding the San Juan Skyway, over 200 miles of mountain roads down into Colorado through the Rockies and back up kind of my starting point in Montrose, Colorado. But that's all for now. Y'all take care. Bye.